and he gave me his commentary. So that's why it's listed as having 3 authors. It's Tsongkhapa's text on the difference between the 2 types of Buddha's word. If we took Buddha's word, we can break it down into sutra and tantra. And that text is concerned with what is tantra as distinguished to sutra. Trying to find in this case, by Tsongkhapa, he's looking for the central distinguishing feature. Whereas people prior to him looked for a whole panoply of features. And so he came in, historically, he came into a situation in which a whole panoply had already been identified.